Good day, students. Welcome to our online lesson. Today's lesson title is Community Service Volunteer Holiday. Қайырлы күн оқушылар. Біздің онлайн сабағымызға қош келдіңіздер. Бүгінгі сабақ тақырыбы ерікті демалыс. As you see in this picture, our lesson related to volunteers. Do you have some information about it? As usual, let's get acquainted with new words, please. Copy these new words on your notebook and try repeat after me. Volunteer tour, еріктілер туры. Abroad, шетелде. Adult, ересек. Experience, тәжірибе. Reward, сыйақы. Skill, шеберлік. Argue, дауласу. Benefit, пайдасы. Cooperation, ынтымақтастық. Holiday, мереке. Plant, өсімдік. Beach, жағажай. Volunteer, ерікті. Clean, таза. Rhino, мүйіз тұмсық. And now a text about volunteer family holidays. A new type of adventure travel is becoming popular with people who want a different kind of holiday. Volunteer tourism or volunteerism involves doing volunteer work while you are on holiday. In the past, volunteer projects lasted several weeks or months and were mainly for students or skilled people like nurses. Nowadays, however, there are plenty of short-term volunteer holidays for just about every interest or age group, including family-friendly holidays. Instead of swimming in the hotel pool or sunbathing on the beach, you can go to South Africa and study rhino work in an elephant sanctuary in Thailand or help on a construction project on Latin America. Even children can take part by doing simple tasks like cleaning beaches, planting trees, or simply spending time working with local children. A volunteer holiday can be a very rewarding experience for a family. Volunteering as a family is a good way for young people to learn important values like kindness, responsibility, and cooperation. By meeting people from around the world and experiencing different cultures, they learn to put their own problems into perspective, especially if they are used to an easy consumer lifestyle. They learn that annoying things in their daily lives, like housework or homework, are nothing compared to the problems that people from poor countries face every day. However, not everyone is happy with volunteerism. Some people feel that it may do more harm than good. Volunteerism believes that they make a positive difference by bringing money to local communities and by helping with development projects. But critics argue that volunteers lack the skills and the time to really understand the problems and make a difference. In some cases, they may even replace local workers and cause further poverty. What's more, if people are working all the time, they aren't spending money on tourist activities, and this is bad for local economies. That's why it's important that volunteers research the holiday carefully and choose a project that will really benefit the local community. And your next task, exercise 3 on page 101, read the text, again answer the questions. Good job. And now the task is exercise 4, your culture, answer the questions. Very well. And the last task, exercise 5, Plan a volunteer holiday for a family. Good job. Dear students, you should express your attitude to the lesson and give self-assessment using the method 6 thinking hats. Оқушылар, сабаққа деген өз көзқарасыңызды білдіре отырып, 6 ойлы қалпақ арқылы өз-өзіңізді бағалаңыз. And your home task exercise 1, 2 on page 68 in your workbook. Үй тапсырмасы жұмыс дәптерлеріңіздегі 62-ші беттегі бірінші және екінші жаттығу.